Just gonna start this video with Raphael. On top of the Jeep.
There's a button under the dash to turn off the beep.
Right next to it, we got a Toyota. Like a nice engine, actually. With Toyota, really? That's actually pretty funny. Alright, so I'm walking around, alright? Minding my own business. I'm looking at this Audi right here, right? I'll walk up to it.
So the wife has the same color RS5. She has a 23 RS5, so the same color.
Wow.
And it looks nice in the sun.
There we go.
Everything aesthetically is fantastic.
It's so nice. My camera's way too zoomed in. Alright, let's see. Let's keep on walking. Oh, C7. It's a big engine. I love the doors. Look at the doors. Wow. Wow. And we got a Ferrari. If I were recording a little bit earlier than the meet, this Ferrari was just surrounded with people. Like, I mean, engulfed. A lot of people were surrounding this Ferrari. I mean, I would have too, and I was. Look at that engine.
Really, what I want to do is I want to fix Jenny's.
Oh, Mustang. Shush, people in the comments. I just love it. Look at it. It's so nice. This is literally one of my dream cars, alright? I don't care what you guys say. But this is actually a pretty cool build. I don't care what y'all say, okay? I respect all builds. And this is actually a cool one. We have a G35? I think G35. I know it's a VQ, obviously. But it hasn't... Look it has a GTR front. That's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. That takes creativity. The rim should have been chrome in my opinion though. But it's still nice. Oh, I almost fell. Lol. But it's pretty nice. And then here's another. This is definitely probably a modern version of the G over there. I don't know. Guys, please forgive me if I pronounce cars wrong. It's just I'm still getting used to them. All right, I'm still getting used to them. It's not a real car meet without the Miata. Oh wait. Yo, what's up over there? Oh, it's the Ferrari. It's leaving. Oh, sick. What's he gonna do? My hands hurt. Shut up. Oh, it's just a photo shoot. Still, it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's watch it. Yeah. Guys, like what I was saying. Look. It's not a real car meet without a Miata. My girlfriend, if she were here, she would have loved seeing this Miata. She'd probably be just standing over here looking at it. She wouldn't even care about the other cars. Yep. Alright, let's keep on looking. BMW gang. It is all BMWs. I want one. Everybody does that now, dude. I really want one. But they're all nice. Those ones are those rooms are so cool, bro. Alright, let's keep on looking. Holy crap. Yo, that thing is low. I love those rooms too. Those are so nice. Where I live, usually these types of accords, I've never seen. I never see these types of accords where I live, but this is different. Remember, people, we live in different areas, so for us, there's like a lot of different experiences for one. Wait, that back. It's camp. Oh, it's camp. That's sick. I like that bright accord. It's nice. Look at it. It's nice. I'm pretty sure that's wrapped too. Maybe, who knows? Because it's obviously not a stock color. But yeah, it is wrapped. Guys, can y'all tell me down below if it's wrapped? Alright. Oh, wait. These rims, I remember, they used to be on my uncle's car. Like his old 2017 Toyota Camry. He used to have these. And he had the Camry all nice. I'll post the photo of it down below. Like, you know, damn. Sorry. Guys, I haven't done a video in so long, so you guys are gonna have to forgive me. All right, I'll mention a few things at the end of the video, but yeah. It has stock wheels. I mean, rims, it doesn't matter. And it's low, like, it's very low. And the front is just so cool. Reminds me of an Avalon. But this is obviously a Camry. A Civic. It's a nice Civic too. Alright, I'm gonna keep on finding cars. This one's bumper is gone. Oh my god, these are the type of rims that I want. I ain't saying for which car, alright? I ain't saying. But you guys will know soon enough. I'll post it on Instagram one day. Got a Subaru. It's not much done, but it's still a nice car. Come on. It's still a nice car. Mud flaps. Everyone loves their Subaru mud flaps. Let's see. What else? It's actually starting to get a bit more, you know, full. We got a BRZ. Everyone, BRZ. This is like the project car. Like the main project cars that I really want to get so bad. The rims are nice too. We have an IG. So if whoever wants to see, you know, their page, then there you go. I like the little wing in the back. Makes it complete. Alright, let's keep on looking. Look. It's CTS, right? CTS-V. And I think it's a black wing. Yep, it's a black wing.
I literally just sent the video of this place in the group chat.
It's an ST. These are cool. Those are cool. Think it's turbo? Oh, I mean, they do come turbo. Ooh. That's cool. Motorcycle. Guys, I'm actually planning to get one. I really want to get one. Maybe I should. Yeah, 100% I should get one. Okay, let's keep on walking. A Hellcat. There's a Hellcat. I'm not really, here's the thing, I don't really have that much hype for Hellcats. I'm more of like a German car person. But still, I like them. I love the horsepower that they put out. It's got a big engine. And the crazy thing is, I've never seen a Hellcat from up front before, so up close. That's a big air filter. Jesus. And then we got the supercharger on top, yeah. So yeah, like I said, I'm not really much of a American car fanatic, but still, I like it. I'm kind of a Mustang guy though. Shush. I know y'all in the comments are gonna be like, oh my god, Mustangs. Shush. I love Mustangs. Those are my dream. That's my dream car. Look, there's even one right here. Oh my god, it has a big toe. Hold on. It's a 4-cylinder too. Whoa. It's a big engine. I mean, god damn it. It's a big... I'm gonna shut up, guys. You got a 350 and an Audi. It's an Audi. These are cool cars, guys. Trust me. Oh, I missed it. God damn it. I missed it. Guys, I missed it. Mazda. But I missed it. Civic. Oh, carbon fiber. Holy. This is a Type R. Just so you guys know, it's a Type R. The one next to it is so cool though. Look at it. The rims are cool. Trust me, the rims, I like those. And then the cherry blossoms on the side. It's pretty nice. Alright, let's keep on looking. There's a Corvette right there too. It's a Corvette. So, a little thing that I said about this Corvette is that I thought, me and my dad thought that this was the Corvette from Forza Horizon 5 when you start off, because it kind of does look like it has the same paint job, almost, except for the Godspeed on the side of it, right here, except for that. But it looks pretty much almost the same. All right. Let's keep on looking. Call me uncultured, but I've never tried canes in my life. Never. Is it good? Guys, tell me. I'll probably try their food. If you tell me they're good, then I'll try. Alright. So, this is the Toyota that we saw that had the music playing. And it's pretty nice. I like that engine bay. It's kind of like the same as this one over here. It's almost the same thing. Pretty much. It is the same thing, except that one has a, I'm pretty sure a Lexus. ¿Ah? ¿El qué? El tapón. ¿Qué? ¿Ese tapón? Sí. No sé. Boy, it's like I was saying before I got interrupted. This is basically the same car, except it has more of a modern type, you know, bumper, front bumper. That thing low. Y'all see his like his license plate? That thing is dangling. Oh my god, that thing is dangling over there. so fast? This is a... This isn't a drag strip, so you can go that fast, Mike. Jesus. Guys, listen.
Like my turn.
If you ever go to like
Like my
a
turn.
car meet, just always remember, go at night. Arrive like around 8 o'clock, maybe 8:30 at night, and just, you know, stop. Just because at night there's more cars, in my opinion. Like this, like cars like these, kind of. I'm on the ground. I ain't showing my face though. But for now, like, look at Raising Cane's. I got up. That's a Cobalt. It's a Chevy Cobalt, but I think it's 05. Probably not 05. I don't know. When I mean 05 is like the year, guys. We got motorcycles on the way. We got motorcycles over there. Motorcycles.
25 pesos la tichota.
I'm getting myself motorcycle. I don't care. Alright, so, just so y'all know, look, a plane! There's a plane! Just so you guys know, I'm gonna show this to you for a minute, but, just so you guys know, there's a Toyota right there too. The one that had the orange and stuff, yeah. Just so you guys know, let me zoom out. I left the meet a bit early, alright? There'll be an explanation why in the end of the video. But I had to leave early, so right now we're at Dunkin'. Cause why not? I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna get myself something.